Hello. So I was going through my stuff and I found this box that says Time Capsule Wingham High School Class of 89. Guess what? We're from the class of 89. I don't think this has been open for 35 years. I have no idea what's in it, but you want to know, so let's have a look. It's so weird. I have a really distant memory of asking people for things for this. I have no idea what's in here. Okay. Hope it doesn't explode. Oh, there's more tape. More tape. Oh, it's it's tons of papers. There's one here that says "Read first." I don't know. Should I open it? Okay, here goes. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, should I be careful? It's pink paper written on in biro, and it's called In the Present Tense. It's by Michelle Jones, and it says, "Well, I would just love to say hello to everyone here at the official opening of this time capsule and to thank you all for coming. I hope that I'm amongst you all somewhere, and I hope that my written article will be one of the first, if not the first to be read. Well, right now, I'd just like to take you all for a little walk into the past. The clocks have adjusted themselves back to the Thursday, the 12th of October, 1989. That's right, way back in time. 11 years ago. Well, some time has passed. It was on this hot summery day that Raymond Leggett asked all students in Year 12 that could to submit a piece of written work or anything really for this time capsule, which he said will be opened in the year 2000. How did he go for time? A little bit late. Well, it was then that I started thinking, hey, what could I do? How could I contribute to this time capsule? I thought maybe I would submit a personal piece of poetry which I had written for a special friend of mine. Hopefully is here with me for this opening. Notice the present tense. Though, because it was so personal, it wouldn't interest anyone who read it, so I gave that one a miss. Then thoughts tossed in my mind again. Perhaps a story. No, that would be too boring. It was then that I decided what I did finally submit, it would have to be original. So here it is. A written present tense account of life in the year 2000. While I was writing this way back those whole 11 years ago, 36 years ago, 1989, I began to wonder what everyone in Year 12 that attended Wingham High School in 1989 are doing with their lives now. In fact, I wonder what I'm doing with mine. It's a really strange feeling when school life is finally over. The Year 12s this year, 2000, will experience it, and you suddenly find yourself out in the big wide world, alone in solitaire. I guess that's a time in your life when you feel a lot of fear. However, in amongst this negative feeling, there is also a pinch of anxiety as to what the future will hold for you. Anyway, I realize that there are other pieces of work to be read, so I won't keep you. Thanks very much for your time. Yours faithfully, Michelle Jones. P.S. I think this paper is so relieved to be out of the time capsule. I bet he'd thought he was buried alive. That's the first piece. There's lots. I'm going to have to make, I don't know, there's tons. There's like things from the Wingham Chronicle. There's like photo albums. There's like, anyway, more to come.